Das ist Max. Während er seinen Körper in Topform bringt, findet er seinen Top-Kredit mit Smava. Er weist sich nicht per Video aus, unterschreibt den Vertrag online und
Yes, happy weekend and good afternoon, my people. Please share this message and invite your friends, please. Yeah, please, if you're joining us, just share this message and invite your friend, please. Yes, I greet you, my people. Happy weekend. I see you, my brother. We must be free. Yes, of course, our gospel must continue. We must be free, my brother Chijoke. I see you, Bella Bello. Good evening and good afternoon, my people. Please share this message. I invite your friends. This afternoon we're going to, lecture our people a lot concerning this so-called Benin emancipation that is trying to destroy our land. So we're going to lecture them about it. So please just invite your friend and share. Make sure you share it on every platform. We need more people to come in. We need to lecture them this evening. Yes, on Biafra we stand. No more one Nigeria. Yeah. We must continue. Yeah, I see you, Bella Bello. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. God bless you. Oh, hey, Biafra. Oh, hey, Iduigodomigodo. Oh, hey, great people of Biafra. And those that believe in freedom, in genuine freedom. God bless you all. Afternoon. Yes, that should lead the way. Invite your friends, invite your friends, invite your friends. This music person was singer now, either they call Kaladu. Just check it, there's some music Kaladu. Yes. With the bolo there ni bi sam ya no gbera na so ebi. With the bolo there emancipation vow there ni Biafra na gbera. Ni Biafra na gbera. Ni dumia na gbera. Idoboro akin. Benin emancipation idoboro akin ma vow there ni bi o sele bo na gbera. Yes. Make a clear road, make a clear road. Make a come off for road. All obstacle, leave the road, leave the way. Idobo. Benin emancipation, Idobo wa ki vow dere ni Biafra na gbera, ni do na gbera. Yes. This evening we want hit and sharp, more just hit and sharp before we continue our music. All hey Biafra, all hey Iduigodomigodo, all hey great people of Biafra. Yeah, I greet you all. And this evening this afternoon, we want to talk about their new protest where we say there have been a demonstration that they call and where we say they go do of whether today. This so-called United Benin have been a Midwestern that they call themselves, or a Benin that they take the shout. Now, I want to make everybody know where we say we believe in Biafra. Those who believe in Biafra, all of us, all Idu people, where they talk about Biafra, those where they talk about Duduwa. I want Mokuna know, say, these people, now so they be right from time. They be betrayer. These guys will be say, you see, say they come up so. Now betrayer they be. I want Mokuna know, this Ile Binu right from time, they be betrayer. They know they do anything good. Now, so those of us who come for that state, I want just ask one first thing, because they shout now, they call everybody Bini, you they call Esan Bini, you they call Urobo Bini, you they call Afema Bini. Who are you be Bini? Now what I want to talk here this evening. Many things they won't talk because when they bring out, they tell you now small, they give you a point. Who be the Bini where be say you they call? Esan no be Bini. So I be about that your so-called United Benin emancipation. And some people, they are not Benin. I want to make you know this one. Afema, they not be Benin. I want to make you know this one. Igbake, they not be Benin. I want to make you know this thing. Urobo, they not be Benin. I want to make you know this. These people where they call Urobo, Esan come. We know they make sure that person where they front. When they use that microphone they call Esan, people say they will find you where because we don't understand what you mean by Esan where you they call for your so-called useless emancipation Benin where you they talk about. Will not be one of you now. I want to make you know. No call us for your evil. You they talk say how I want to save Nigeria. People who they look you go to say maybe you will now won't come out, can't talk about good thing as they see you now today say now come out with the so-called useless emancipation movement who now take come out. They will feel say maybe now one march for something good. You come out, grown up people they say make they save Nigeria. Make them save Nigeria. Now want true federalism. I want to ask you. Now what thing Mazuna the kind they talk about for long? Is it not the same true federalism where we say they deny them, they no agree? Okay, now you want to talk about the true federalism. They make they help Benin save Nigeria. No be make they save some people and Benin and Afema and Igbanke people will be say, and all Biafrans people will be say, Fulani they kill. No be make them help una save them. Make them help you save Nigeria. Now una come out, come they talk. Make them help you save one Nigeria. Then una need the true federalism. Now you come they talk. And our people they die. No be make them help you. Make Fulani live on a land where they kill you. No be that one you can't talk. You see say una be betrayer. Huh? Ile Binu, you see say una be betrayer, na betrayer na be heavy betrayer na una be. Everybody now we dey talk about Biafra, Oduduwa dey there, Biafra dey there, we dey fight together. Una come out for inside, just use that come. Thank God, you know what make me not to look una today, but I just want because now I won't mean una where I just be not say before I be just say more forget now. But if now allow me mean una, I go dey work with Murphy, I go work with all we go dey whole conference about una every day. If now make me vex. I just dey tell una this evening. If now make me vex always because I be not want the whole conference with Murphy, but if now make me vex now, I go make sure say the whole conference with Murphy more take the disgrace una open una finish. If now not stop this rubbish one, I won't try that they bring come the brew and let come out this betrayal attitude. I go join up with Murphy because I dey try, but no one work with him before. I go join up with him, work with him, make sure say we just finish una. Pata. I won't make you know this one. Because inside this mess now, that they kill all Biafrans, that they kill the people of Esan 24 hours, that they kill the Igbos, that they kill the Urobos, that they kill Calabar, that they kill everybody, that they kill the Idu people. You not talk about that when you come out, come they say, may they help you save Nigeria. Now you love Nigeria pass, you won't get to now they fight for true federalism. Now no, not be saying I won't make them break Nigeria. True federalism now they fight. You see how con you not be? It not go work. And I want to make what I want to try to talk this. It not go ever work for now. On Biafra, we remain on Biafra. And I'm telling everybody this evening, share this message. I mean this afternoon, share this message. Because very soon, it get where these people will provoke us reach. We go just join her together. I don't care anything. I just work with Murphy. I make sure say I work with Murphy then to expose now because many times be the skipper. I go make sure say I work with her to make sure say we finish una then. For this evil one I won't try bring. What the concern not with Benin emancipation where you dey try bring? Now betrayal now you want try bring now. And the other people now where you dey mention say you dey always talk the other person where the other word where you dey mention you say Midwestern. Who be the people where won't fight for Midwestern? Me I tell you people where they say they vote against this electronics election, this voter cards will be said that they fight for. People will vote against and now some of them we get one for a donut there. There or more gege will be said I be I think that be the deputy senate president. He also vote against the same thing. You know what time. So now these people are the corner they find will be saying I want to come from which one I want from. Now I want to from United Benin Kingdom where we want to destroy our generation in our life. We dey talk about people, no be saying I won't come out now. Come out for street, come they say Fulani way they kill, they kidnap for Edo, where they kidnap for Biafra land, they kidnap for Idu. More na can't talk. Our people of recent for where they kill recently for Obiaja, the pay ransom to the Fulani finish, they'll kill the people. No be that one I come out can't talk. No be the people where they kidnap for Edo state, no be una they talk. No be anything. Make they come help una save Nigeria. You see I say na betrayal. Now make me they talk and say Oba and Una, there are more people where pack Fulani come Edo state. Make they come take kill us. And now on our head they go kill. Now the truth be this one. Now on our head they go kill because all bad there among all of una now we come out go na powerful and come while make they can't take kill us. But now on our head and on our generation I they go kill. Because evil wanna go bring come our land now on that evil go destroy. It's the truth. And you see them, they still manage come out and then I don't say they don't even reach 30 or 20. I be they expect say they won't come out they say all we need now break up of Nigeria, or all we need now break up of Nigeria, or why Fulani they kill our people for $1. We won't make all of them come out for $1. That they rape, they kill our people. See idiot and coward. They come out, they say they talk about Midwestern, United Benin Kingdom. You they talk about Benin Kingdom. You begin to mention Esan. Who put Esan for your mouth? Why people now they always mention Esan? Always. Because you know say without them you are not going anywhere. Thank God now say our people ready well. And I won't make Esan people know. If you be true Esan person, you support this thing. See our people. When Fulani they kill all this one for Esan land, their cause go build upon our head. And una go see waiting more than waiting all those our innocent people. Where be say Fulani kill. All those Esan family where be say Fulani they kill all this one. If you be Esan man, you support Benin emancipation. This Esan people where Fulani they kill all this while that cause go there upon you and your generation. That our ancestor and that love where they between Esan, that spirit where they hold on, go kill you because you betrayed your people and your soil. Now the truth be that one. I want more to know this one. Share this message. That Esan spirit where they bind all of us as Esan together. If you be among Esan person where go join them for this Benin emancipation, meanwhile that they kill your brother all this while they kill our people for Esan land, not be saying that one they can't protest, can't talk. If you are Esan person, you join them, they fight for United Benin Kingdom. All these innocent Esan people where they kill this one, the curse go there upon your head, it go there your family head, and our spirit assess and we bind us together. That our ancestor will strike you. Now if you are the baby not to celebrate, he said, and I saw it go be. Because the betraying where be say some of now won't try they bring. I go to talk on today. He get one boy where they call. He get one boy. I'm gonna share this message. He get one boy where they call Omo Zopia, innocent Omo Zopia. Blessed now they operate that Esan forum. Now they operate Esan forum or Esan blogger. One of the pen now they operate that Esan blog or Esan forum. Now innocent Omozokwe. Now this innocent Omozokwe, I want make Esan know more kuna wise up because we don't want to hear any story again. I want analyze what did happen for our land. The reason why everybody will join Biafra, we don't want to hear pen about United Benin Kingdom. Now innocent Omozokwe, where they operate that land. Each time Esan person post something concerning Esan, put for that forum, innocent Omozokwe go bring her down. But each time Benin cause Esan bring the thing come, innocent Omozokwe, I approve or you go approve that thing for our forum. And one more now they know the traitors will get among us for Esan land. If innocent Omozokwe, he go bring that thing come out, he go put am there. Anytime you see say great Esan people, they try enlighten our people, because that forum supposed to be Esan forum. Each time the great Esan you that are trying to wake up our people, that are trying to let our people know what is happening, each time they post something on that platform, Innocent Omozokwe will bring the thing down. But each time Benin people try, because they are manipulating him, send him anything and say post this thing on Esan forum so that you can't be manipulating Esan people with this thing. That idiot called Innocent Omozokwe, he will approve such thing. Now you see what is happening to us as a people. This is one of the reasons why some Benin are still looking down on us. I want you to know, I'm not saying all Benin, the elite Benin people, Esan youth, all of you must stand up. Stand on your right. Oba is for Benin. We don't care. We don't give a fuck about Oba. We have our own people. We believe in Biafra. Apart from Biafra, you try to bring any rubbish to build your empire so that you can be enslaving the people of Idu. It's not going to work. We've been into that mess for long, and it has never favored any one of us. And we don't want to be there forever. We just saying we don't want to see anything like empire. Because if those guys that are shouting Benin emancipation, if they are not stupid, all this while they were saying Igbo are trying to Igbonize us. Right now, what kind of wealth do you come with today? You saying Benin, Esan, Benin, the Esan, the Robo, the Ujah, the Shakiri. You start mentioning their name, the Agbos. You are calling their name at the same time saying Benin, they are Benin, the Esan Benin, this Benin. Who tell you we are Benin? We are not Benin. Meanwhile, you are saying the Igbos are trying to Igbonize people, and you are saying the Yoruba are trying to Yorubanize people. So now what are you trying to do? Or what do you mean by this words? This what you were saying today. You were saying the Esan, the Benin, the Esan are Benin, the Urobo, the Shakiri, the Agbo. Is it not Benin? So you little Benin now want to create empire for your Oba. So by the time you finally get that thing, it will be called Benin, which means Benin own us. That is what you mean now? Which means all of us are Benin. Then your Oba will be choosing who will become the governors and all that in Idu land. Then you create empire for the Benin. After all, I bet you call Oba of Benin emperor. We don't give a fuck about your emperor. We are Esan. I'm telling you, call this video, send it to whoever you want to send it to. I'm Esan. And I believe in Biafra 100%. So anything about your Oba is not my business. I don't give a fuck about him. I want you to know this. I want you to know anything about your Oba of Benin is not my business. I don't give a fuck about him. I am Esan. So if you're saying anything about Benin, concentrate on your own people. Don't call Esan, don't call Igbanka, don't call Agbo, don't call Afema. These people are not Benin. So you are trying to create all of us, to bring all of us under Oba rights. By that time, Oba will become your emperor. After all, you call him God, you call him emperor. So who is going to be emperor over who? Over we? For Oba to, you must be mad. Something must be wrong with you useless guys that came up this afternoon to protest for that rubbish. So we will not be the emperor of Edo. Is that what you're trying to say, right? The emperor now. So if you, because you call him emperor, those of you who does not understand the meaning of emperor, go and check it out. Those of you who does not understand the meaning of emperor, first of all, go and check it out. Agbe called Oba emperor always. He called him emperor. He called him emperor. He called him God. So you want your Oba to come and rule over the people of Idu, to come and rule the people of Esan. So who will be under your Oba? Something must be wrong with you. I will never be under any Oba. I am Esan. We have our own king. I believe in Biafra. When Biafra come, everybody control whatever they have. That is why you see in Esan land, we have kings just the way it is in Igbo land. No one is bigger than the other. They are all equal. So they lead their people in a normal way. We are like that. We are Republican in nature. And that is how it's supposed to be. And we go straight to our king to speak to him. Talk to our king whenever things is going wrong or things is not going fine for everybody. We must go straight to the king, speak to the king, and he do listen to us. He does not look down on anybody because we are all equal. We are born equal. But our king are there to represent us. We love them and they are equal. No one is bigger than each other. I want you to know that. I want you to know that. So if you try to bring emperor, it will never work on we. It will never work on we. So keep your emperor in your Benin. Don't bring it to Esan land. Don't call us Benin. You only have emperor where you oppress your people. You use them to swear. In Esan land, no king use his own people to swear. So we don't want it. So now we're not even on. We're not. You don't have. Should I say Benin Empire yet? You are climbing people. You are insulting the people of Esan daily. No, we don't have Benin Empire yet, too. But you are insulting the Esan. You are insulting the Igbanke, the Agbo, the Afema, the Robos, the Igbos. You are calling all of us name, bad name. You are betraying us, insulting us 24 hours, calling Esan name. We're not yet under your Benin Empire. What if we're not under your Benin Empire? Which means you're going to kill us. Meanwhile, you are just few and little people. And you are trying to claim that mightiness over the population, over the people. No, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. You are just little people, very little, few of you. And you are trying to create that mighty, you are trying to make yourself mighty over the great people of Idu. It's not going to work. I want you to know that. So no more empire, no more emperor. It's over. Just let your Oba know that it's game over for him. Oba can remain his kingdom, but if you're thinking you want to come and start looking down on people, oppressing people, you want to become empire over the people, tell your Oba that it's game over for him. The youth of these days, they are very wise, very intelligent, very smart. We don't give a fuck. All men are born equal. So he can rule in his kingdom, no problem. But you extending, for you to be extending your, should I say, your empire to our land, or you try to extend your crook way to our land, it's not going to work. We want you to know that. It's not going to work. Oh. Forget that fucking empire, Benin Empire. Forget it. We don't want to hear it. It's not going to work under we. Because I want you to know, and every one of you, last time I had one Esan, some Esan guys, I had some of you, few of you, some of you were saying, you were writing on the platform of Esan Forum, you were saying, you are from Ebohimi or Ebato, and you start saying, some of you are from Benin. Now, some of you who are from Benin, who are in Esan land, you must go because you met people on the ground. We are the people you met on the ground, and that is why you see we are so angry. We don't want to lose our right. You met us on the ground. Because if you are true Esan, you will never come down for any Oba or any Benin man. I want you to know that. We are those people you met on the ground because we read the history. We are the Esan people you met on the ground, and that is why you see the spirit is on us. And those people you see, they are speaking daily. They don't want to come down for any Benin or any Oba. Because we are the people you met on the ground. My father had big forest where my forefather were living way back is still there. So you can't tell me with this whole forest that belongs to my father, I came from Benin. No, we are the people you met on the ground. And that is why we are never afraid to speak to the Oba or speak to the Benis, the Ile Binu. So for some of you among us in Esan, some of you who are trying to say you are, some of you said you are from Ebohimi or Ebato, and your language look like Benin. You must be stupid. It means you don't know Esan. Did you know Esan, Ohodua, Ebohimi, Ebato, and Ubiaja, and Emu? This area, they have one of the strongest Esan language so far, very deep one, like me, deepest. If you go and speak, maybe you can hear, Benin can hear little of it. But the true Elohim or Ebato person or to speak, you cannot hear nothing. Benin cannot pick anything. So stop saying what you don't know. Stop saying what you don't know. So if you think you are from Benin, you will pack your load and go. After all, the history is there. Benin man cannot write the history of Esan. Esan people should be able to do that. Not you to write our history. We were told about us by our own father. So not you that will tell us who we are. You cannot tell us our own story. You cannot write my own history as a person. What did you know about me? What did you know about my grandfather? So why would you come as a Benima, for example, to write my history? If not this evil way that you'll be using to be the distorting history that you'll be doing. Huh? It's the fact. Everything about you is fallacy. So for those of you who are these few individuals in Esan who always want to claim that you are Benin, you will go at least The true Esan, they are proud of who they are. They are Esan. For those of you now, we will start pointing you out. If you know you are not Esan, you go to Benin and leave our land. Go and look the history. There are people you met on the ground. We are those people. Our forefather. So that's what we are telling you. We are not Benin. And we can never be Benin. And I can never bow down for Oba. We can never worship anybody. We bow down for my king. It's okay. I bow down for my king. I respect it, but not Oba. Everybody know who he be now. You don't know your papa. Everybody don't know your papa. If you're not stupid, you don't ever see any Esama where come at those days. Oba will say, come because you'll be saying something. We want to use you to swear in Oba Palace. That is to say we are not one. Oba have no right to swear, to bring us a person to the palace. First thing to tell you, Oba have no right over us. But he do that to you as the Benin. He can't try it on us. Are we one? Are we the same? We are not one people. We are not Benin. So, for example, Oba, that is why Oba cannot bring any Esama to the palace to lay curse on him. It's not possible. Everywhere would destroy that day. Everywhere would destroy it. That very day, Benin would tear into two. The day you will temper with Esama because he's saying something, and that person will come to a door. You will say you're bringing it to palace. To swear for him, Benin will tear into two. No, it's not joke there, no. Because we are not one. Huh? You can only lay curse on your people. Because even where I came from, in my own land, in Esan people, our king don't lay curse on us. They have no right. They can only invite me and say, come, we have something from you. Then when you get here and you explain this to them, they will also pray for you and let you know you are our son. Please try to promote us, do something good. That is all. They pray for you. So do you think they pray for you? They don't lay curse on us. Our king don't do that. They don't lay curse on. Because if one person, I said we are living like normally we are like the Igbos. I won't make you know that one. We are like that. We are Republican in nature. We believe everybody, even our women. You see our women, some of our women, they are even stronger than our men. That is to tell you how much right we give to them. Our women, yes, our women. Many of them, they are even stronger than the men. That is to tell you how much right we give to our women. I want you to know that. If you don't know that, you should know. It's true. That is to tell you how much right we give to our own women. Yes, our women. Many Esan women, they are very strong, even stronger than some of our men. It's what I'm telling you today. If you don't know, you should know that. The people that came out to protest, to protest the other time in Uromi concerning the Fulani herdsmen killing, are they not Esan women? Or are they your Ile Binu? And where your women you have in your so-called Benin Empire, what have they done concerning what is happening? It's we, always we, because we are heroes. If we want to destroy those things, we will destroy. You know us. You know us. Why are you trying always to come close to Esan, to bribe us, to talk to us? Because you know we are the only people that can tear Benin apart. Your Oba know that very well. That is why always they are trying to convince us, to talk with us, to see if they can buy us, so that at the end of the day we'll close everybody's mouth. And I want Esan to know. You know why they are angry this period? Why they are trying? Why they are trying to bring this Benin Empire of 18? Because many Esan people have woken up through this Biafra struggle. Because all this while, nobody heard about Esan. Nobody hear about Esan. All you hear all the time is Benin, and they were so happy. Then they were thinking they've already conquered every one of you. Because the only name you hear always is Benin. Nobody even know if Esan exists then. Nobody even know if Igbanka exists or Afema. They were so cool with it. They were happy. But ever since the Esan people have woken up and start speaking and start saying everything from their mind, because of this true Biafra struggle, they started angry. And that is why they are coming with this way, because normally Benin wants you to remain silent under them. So your identity will lose. There will not be nothing like Esan. The only thing you will be hearing is Benin. Then your Esan, you as Esan, everything about you will die. That is what Benin wants. Oba know this thing very well. And it can never happen. Me, Oba na king for your side. For my own side too, as Esan, I be king. Me on my own. It's true. Because in our parable, everybody na king for your house. So if you are monk, if Oba no want monk, they use the name Shatter. Make he call those boys or those Chihuahua, make call them to order. Because this one's not be what you want to do to our forefather. We not go agree. Bring us under our empire. Wey be say we never even dey under an empire. You dey call us a man snake, you dey insult us, you dey talk us, dey call us snake. You say I no go rule again, I no go become governor, I no go do this one. Esan wey be this, Robo wey be this. So today now you don't remember so Robo na Bini, Esan na Bini. Obaseki true na Agbo if you come, no forget to. So you don't know. But last time you say Abi Ogunambe, you saw Obaseki na Agbo no be Bini. Say na Egon. If they no understand me, I tell them. The meaning of Egon me say you be foreigner, you be stranger. Now you call Obaseki. You saw Obaseki na Egon from Agbo. Now this Egon from Agbo to all of now they call Agbo Bini. Something must be wrong with you because you little rats now won't claim mightiness over the population, over the great people of Idu nation, over the great people of Esan, Afema, Igbanke. Everybody, I respect everybody. Igbanke, they be great nation. Esan, they be great nation. Everybody, they are great. No be your over great past. Forget that rubbish. Una dey una own area. If not, because thing, you know, even if you carry me Concord tomorrow to Nigeria, as I dey vibrate to, for you to know, say we know the fear. That's why I will vibrate for inside court. I'll just tell them whole how. For them to know, say, at least I no come fight you. Now for us to come say we be one, they're your side. Since you know what, maybe we with Biafra there together. Me and you two not go there together. How many of you wanted there together? When me not say you was past serpent. You be virus. Hate where you get for essence, you not get that for Igbo. Unless I don't say some way what they pretend. What you know they pretend for? Your Bruce Ali die. They lock him for chain. Upon say he do good, they kill him because say he do good. They kill him. Ever since then, all of them have become a governor. Now no fit talk. Now they still follow Bini. You can worship Bini. Me, I know they worship any Oba. I know they bow down for anybody. I'll be that. The yes son wanna meet for the ground. Now we be. Now my father be. We know who we be. So I can't bow down for anybody. So those that some way won't wise up. Wise up. If you won't claim Bini, go stay there. Go meet them. Yes. You can't claim mightiness over us. Over us because for long we now let we be the place where we say Oba no fit penetrate, come put in king. Who tell you say that you put our king? Now you dey crown our king. My father and our chief. If our king die, we know people where they bury. Oba they come there. We know people where they bury and our chief they bury them. My own papa, now second person to the king. Now you they go bury them. So now you won't come tell us say that Oba put our, how you take put our king for them. And things they come, but what we want to very soon. Although I never know, things they come, all those Esan, all those some of Esan king, where be said they go they wear those white and white where they wear for Bini. More could stop them more than they wear on a Igbo now on a B. Where Igbo if na Igbo na wanted they do that or Buluku, more than they use them. Because this white and white, we know where it for. We know the period where it come. That is to tell you, say, I grew up for palace, I too wise. We know the period where that white and white. When I come, they so like select people from Benin. Now come you start the extend that come Esalam. We know the year. My father, I know the year. We sit down because he loved me so much. Explain everything to me. We know the year when I try to introduce that in our land. For you now you will not say truly I be true son of the sun. When they introduce that on a white and white, before they know they wear white and white, come our place. But upper they use tie, they extend that come. Now, they don't tire, say, it can't be said the Esan young youth of today. Now they can't even both pass down their forefather. They can't not be angry where they get. Listen, if you think say we get, me I know, if you think say I'm brutal, na small I be no brutal. If you see some Esan guys where do that ground, they are brutalness. If they come for you very soon, I will tire. And we dey organize ourselves. You see that rubbish one at the talk. Unless now learn how to respect people. If you not there with Igbo, you don't want there with Igbo to create nation. You don't even want me Nigeria break. Which means now because of una with Oba now una go powerful and he come. Now no come out come talk about how why did they kill our people for Esan? Why did they kill for Idu? No be una come talk at all. No be una people where don't lost. Now empire go destroy on our head and all of the way they talk about Benin Empire, that Benin Empire, it go collapse on our head because I be evil. So una people now where they die. Serve Nigeria more than they are more than your people where they are. You they call yourself king and I won't create empire. Now be say if you don't become emperor, you go kill all of us now. You kill all of us because now you never fit save your people. You dey say make dem save Benin Empire. No be save the people of Idu. No be save the people of Idu land or those people where they kill. No be save them. Make they help you save empire so that you will become emperor. By the time you become emperor, you will kill all of us. Finish now. You no go see emperor. Emperor no go reach your hand. You can get the emperor within your own area there. No problem. But you know they dare come and play because I they tell every day. I never know say, but this one, this them, all those people that they invent Fulani come and make they can't reduce us. And some boys and all Afema, all those youths, more than go arm on ourselves because we don't know whether or not they are born in the Basen, make Fulani come, they kill for our land. You can never tell these guys are dangerous. Very dangerous. Hate where they get for una boku na no pretend to una self now no say the hate too much. Hate where they get for heart for una it too much. After Bruce Ali died, I tell you now, I don't hear the again. I don't hear the even till today. You see that they come out. If not be we where we say they come out, they tackle them. They be done. They now they know say yes and get people. Now believe me, you they say let people come and say yes and not they go school. Who tell you? Some of my brother they be PhD holder, but you because they don't get time to the talk. But now we they talk the talk now. We get many guys for everywhere now. Where they, some as I they do my videos, some they bring some their own every day now to the right to the tell you now waiting the episode and I will wise up. They follow those wise airs and when say they write everything about you now, tell you story. They follow them now. There be people who love the land. Now there be people who love unity because Benin no love unity. Benin there be destroyer. This Ile Binu, not be all Benin as I they talk. This Ile Binu there be destroyer. Now that destroying attitude that make you all now. Now, when I want to say when I love Nigeria, go do the one they fight to get or do the one nation. Listen, every tribe now join Biafra to get nation. But now when a few criminals can't come out, can't they say you won't save Benin nation in order to give Oba more power. So that I'll become empire over other, become emperor over other person. You can't choose who will become the governor, who go live where and go live. Or God will not lie. This time around, it's not going to happen. You see, go mark my words. Very soon I will link up with Murphy. We'll link up with many places. We'll just destroy everywhere. If now not take time now, because people be they try to say more we chill more because now our land because okay more we don't make everything cool. But if now make us vex, if now not stop this in our attitude, very soon we go call everybody now. We'll just they link up, they work with Murphy everywhere so that we'll get large organization. If I won't come kill us that day, more come we do more kuna try. Then I go see people way ready. It's the fact. So that more could get large people way ready for the grant. If I wait till I want. Because all this while we just they try say make Murphy they do it in with the support, with the watch out, we buy your own idea, we say make they do your own thing, make everybody they do your own thing in their own way. But if now let us work together, it go too rough on. It go too because me I be aborigine. It get where you go tough rich, I go Nigeria, I go begin to they show people this one. I waited that they call this thing for Asa. Now wait till it be this for Igbo. I begin to because we get off our palace, I will they show up. Now I go tired that day. So tell them, may they forget this United Benin emancipation. May they can't us come up for this rubbish. You say Igbo nice people. Meanwhile today, now you they want Benin nice people. Remember this guy they say Obaseki come from Agbo. And Agbo na Egon. Their word, if they want hit you, they always use the word Egon. They say they call Esan Egon, which means stranger. Then they call Afema Egon. No, I be not be where for go school for Benin, I know na character. You they call them Egon. Today now Obaseki will be Egon, will be Agbo. May they go watch your video, it did there. Now today now their land now you can't they call Benin, may they come Esan. Always they na Esan they first shot. Meanwhile na Esan they hate past everybody. What to make the hate Esan? Because we know what no will conquer. We know what more gonna conquer us. Recently, if not this one like get one Benin boy way come in Benin way they talk. He say why we not gonna do now like that? Since Esan don't want me anybody touch their land now. Bam. Now waiting with the protect go now no be that. Since now they do now they say why everybody know go they attack Esan. Since Esan don't want make people touch una land, make they collect una land. Waiting me now because maybe Esan don't want make Oba extend the people come they search all land, carry everything, they sell land. It no go happen. Keep your Benin, let the bank keep their kingdom. Esan keep their nation. Everybody let Esan keep their nation. Let Afema keep their nation. Everybody keep their nation. Because if you say we no go be Biafra, then we cannot be Benin now. How want to be Benin? And you are so stupid and foolish. Every time you they call about Delta State. Meanwhile, we are inside Delta State. 90% of them originally they are pure Igbo that they speak. You don't see who they speak Igbo where go say you no be Igbo. Now only foolish person. And you they call them your Benin. Me and you, I know they speak Benin. I they speak Esa. Now the foolish person you go see say they speak Igbo, you go say no be Igbo. You stupid naturally, neither one be. Not let anybody give you hope or hype you be fool. Now make you go to speak Igbo. Somebody will come tell you, will say you no be Igbo. You are just foolish naturally. Now the truth be that one. You are foolish and you are stupid. You are lost soul. So the person where they speak Esa too, somebody come and tell you say you no be Esa. You be Esa. We are Esa. We know who we be. So me I know they speak Benin. Benin not dey my mouth. I be Esa. You where they call me Benin Empire. May they help you save Benin. May they help you save Nigeria. No, be make they help you save your Biafran people whether they kill. No, okay. No, be make they even help you save the Esa, the Benin, the Agbo, the Banker people everywhere that they kill. No, be make they can't help you save them. Make the world see you. Now make they help you save your Benin. So that Oba will come the rule. He will come become empire. Then Oba will come become emperor. Anytime you want now, they will say emperor don't speak. He will come catch you for your house. They will slaughter you. They will do what they want. They will. Now that one you want. It not go up. See, everybody don't wise. Our generation, it not fit happen. Even though that one man call him for us, he go do what they do so. I'm telling you. It not go fit happen. Now no, what make una hate us very well because now only we for us and be the people we say. We they get down with you now. We know the truth. We know they let anybody. We know they let you now oppress us. We know the facts of the land. Not being another hatred. No dinner. Why you hate us? Another thing. No dinner. Because now only we be the people where they confront you now. Una koni where una lie. Ule binu where una we be le binu. Now only we now. Another people they. Now we they confront you now always. So we can never be loyal to you. It get where you go reach if you don't do work. Biafra will get everybody. Will everybody control their thing? It get where you go reach. They don't. It go break. And once it get where you go do this one. These just don't already they wait for now. We pray from now till 2023. May Biafra come. If Biafra never come before that, believe me and you, Esa don't get their state already. Be that. Now don't go mark my word. Because we will start the protest. We'll come down home. Everyone, we'll do what you want to do. No level. Then make we see where your empire one day because we need to tell una and say this una little rudeness one they try claim people claim superiority over other we go break una bone no be say small. I first tell una last time say e get where e go reach Oba now get only 2 local government. First of all Igbanke no suppose be Benin. They know they speak Benin. I want make you know, sure you know that one. There be Igbo, there be Ebsan, there be Afema that this area they supposed to join, not be your side. So when that time come, we will let una know. Mokuna begin to they jump like frog. We they watch una. Mokuna they jump like frog. More than ever they respect una. More than they jump like frog. Say you won't claim superiority over other person. Bini. Everybody will just come. You say you be Bini. You say oh yeah, I will be Bini now. Then meanwhile, if you want once you be Afema person, you don't the answer say you be Bini. I won't make you know if I no get sense. Now me I tell you. If you be Afema. You don't the answer, you don't the agree say you be Bini. It means say this Bini, now they can't get you Oba. Because particular people they where they call Bini. Biafra now they call her Biafra, they don't call her Igbo. I won't make you understand, they call her Biafra. Which means everybody, now every tribe now make up Biafra. But this one where they bring that they call her Bini, and our people that they call Bini, I be you hear say Biafra and Igbo that they call her. They call it Biafra for everybody. Now that they call this one Bini. Which means particular people now that they call Benin, another thing know the way that they call it. They are called Benin, right? So which means these few people, if you as Afema accept, now they can't get you. Now they be lord over, now they colonize you. I want to make you fair know. That way they say Igbo won't colonize people, they want Igbo people. Because meanwhile, Igbo no call their place. We don't call our land Igbo nation. No, we call it waiting Biafra nation. Abi, it's not Igbo. Now that they call you this Benin, and they say Benin nation, Benin emancipation, which simply mean if you be S and you they bear Benin, it means any single Benin will deal with you now your girl now I colonize you. If you be a Afema person, Benin you accept say now Benin una it means that Benin person if he stand with you now he colonize you. You know say they are conny, they'll use and they rub your body. We are all Benin, we are Benin. na your girl na stand na wetin dem want to if na no na make una know na your oga stand with you though say the way Fulani be na so dem wan do your oga na he just stand with you na he make am dey say you be Benin but now if you still be Agbo person if you be Agbo person you be Gbanke you accept say you be Benin you be Auchi you accept say you be Benin which means any Benin man wey stand with you that and I colonize you because Benin na people that they call Benin I wan make you know that one Afema na Afema Esan na Esan abi so you be who you be Biafra now is called Biafra not be Igbo but this one is called Benin which means na people can't get you anytime they deal with you they get more power at least now they get book now their book go dey the hand now they go write everything their hand even go look money wey be say these people that be they bring all this one the so-called Benin they use Oba scatter the whole money they put everything about Benin they use and spread the whole money everything don't be you can't see other tribe there they put you few now you see where we dey talk now wetin dem dey find be that one I go continue that they come out every day come dey talk about una if na provoke me I go expose una finish now even dey come your upper now you go dey even find folk come dey call me say oga abeg forget this thing don't do me you wan talk to those guys more na no provoke us o because we silent no mean say we be fool don't take us for granted our quietness you see it's a quietness and e do quietness these people wey be say they be true aborigine of that land they don't take their quietness for granted mind your business because where you dey go now you wan expose yourself nobody go bear that rubbish which you I be Benin which means that if I dey bear Benin I say some person any Benin wey near me na my oga because he na be Benin now they get that book. Not be me. So if you will be as a person, you know one wise now. Now you know. If you be Roboman, you know one wise, you on your own. If you be Alpha Mama, you know one wise, you on your own. No. But we be the true essence. We are wise. We know who we be. You can't colonize us. We are Biafra. We be Biafra. Now, if I want bust your bubble. Now, why you not agree make we call them Esan Empire? No, just they call her. No, because of Benin Empire and they call her today. More call her Esan Empire. Whether you will see one Benin for that rally. Oh, now where be some of the hypocrites will get more Esan, Afema and all those areas. More gonna go wake up now say we won't call that place now. Now won't call her Esan Empire or Afema Empire. Whether you will see one Benin for that protest. They don't move. You say, oh no, now why we won't do it like that? We go be Benin now, bam. So we too wise. You see that one way past that. You know what will happen. What you not do? You know our forefathers they were so calm because they love peace. And they follow now they do that. They don't know so now no peace. Now just be problematic people. Now no peace. Our forefathers they were so peaceful. If now talks on the course, so okay, more just agree do for peace to reign. Then they follow now they lead. Now this is so we won't be. It not go happen because that our forefather thing agreement where we say that agreement where they agree with you now that time that way now make it and last day like this. I will say they follow now they do fire. See, some people more are not quiet too. Now make me I love Igbo and love Biafra. If you not fire your enemy, they not go let you go. Your place not go develop. Nothing go come. Now no understand them. All this make una just come out today and say I want protest, say I want break up Esan. Today, Oba don't call him member where they tell they do evil. Call them, say more una talk as now want do Esan, make everything good. Because one more no go. But each time you they say you be Benin, you be Benin now. That's why all of now go develop Benin. I not go develop your home. You know what think about your home. Because after all, you be Benin. I hear what one idiot they talk that the way that they talk about election. They talk about election about Esan. He come out, he say he no even care. If na Benin man they provided everything good. Now after all, we be Benin. Esan we be Benin cheating. Tell them make Esan man dead them. They make Esan man they rule they go. Then we'll tell after all we be Esan. All of all we be Esan. May use. I don't know why una they feel like say maybe una can't love the clan. We don't hate anybody, but I can never be hypocrite. You know, it's not good to be hypocrite because when you be hypocrite, you go there inside. You go there inside where food dey, but you go there eat dust. Because you be hypocrite. You don't want to speak out like man so that make you eat. Food be there grant. But for you to eat, you go the same may I can take this small one, but your eye dey. May I just take this one? You be hypocrite. Just talk, may they give you that, make everything be equal. That's why I love Biafra. That's why I love the Igbos. That's why I love Yoruba of this youth. We go must get what we want. Forget hypocrite. Forget it. You don't see any time where be say Janjaweed they come, for example, come they beg you now. You don't see no action. That's the action everybody want. Do one to them too. For example, Janjaweed, the Fulani Janjaweed. And I only Igbo understand that language with them. Shout with them. If they say, oh, do ho, they all go ho. Everybody come go to dialogue. I want make you know this. For this life where they live today, once you they low, somebody they won't climb you. Always you they fear. They will continue to they climb you until you die. You will remain slave. Nobody, no man be God. Everybody they fear death. Everybody for this world now blood they flow for their body. So, but these people, this emperor, where you they see today, where they try won't use people for slave. By the time you rise up against them, they will come down to your own understanding. Then every time peace go reign. That's why you see, saying white man country, everything do okay. Fight for your place. I'm telling you, don't try one day come bring us to enter your Benin emancipation. We be Biafra. So whether you want to go call Agboma Benin, I don't say you know go try where you see Agboma. So few of you now when come out today, especially you wait there front go they shout with microphone. They say, that where you they call. So now you go kill your head. Not call us so. That where you they call always because once I want do bad. Now they call Esa. That where you they call so now you go kill you because you know say now we know what in dead that land. Now make always that they try call us. Now they call Esa when you want do bad. Always when you want do bad. That one I want to go collect to Robo community where all your day. Now so Tony Kabaka own a gang now they call Esa. Mokuna come Moku go fight to Robo. Moku go do the because I want do bad. But we no go follow na do those rubbish. Because now won't do bad. Once now don't do that bad finish, you can't say this one no be Esa. Go because now it don't be Benin. I want enjoy it. That's why everything between and I circulate everything I carry on. When all year work come, now share with you ourselves. When you hear say the build refinery, Benin go occupy everywhere. When you see say something come, they put themselves everywhere. But when problem come, then they look for Esa man where they want to destroy everywhere. Yeah? When you won't find what you want, when power come inside Benin, then they look for Benin, they will look for Benin, they'll say you will dead our year company, you go dead, they will share themselves there. When they won't do bad, they go they look for Esama, come follow us. Tony Kabaka that time we know now they make that video. Now it be that person where they say, Mokuna, come on, go fight to Robo, go fight Ijo, collect their oil, me and you come. I say Benin, if now no take time, I need to go the beg Esa because if now try pen for this our generation, I say your kingdom will go divide into two. We are ready for it too. If na no respect to yourself, if na no respect to that club owner, the class we be true about origin. We know everyone no know a papa. Huh? Everybody no know a papa. I not be nobody for Salah because we know they boast. Because if na Benin be like me every time I go they boast. So why you know me? Why you go know whether I be somebody? So I no need to explain myself to whether I be nobody. But when that day come, very soon you go know whether I be somebody. Our village after the king, I'll be the next with my papa and I'll be the next person. So I won't make you know. This thing one at the talk now, I make una they provoke us because Esa, they are so quiet, they are so gentle because they believe in peace and they believe in harmony, they believe in love. For that reason, you take their quietness for granted. You know, everywhere where Benin go, they will show themselves. They break bottle. Esa man don't get that time. But we know how to hook you. If we hook you, we bend your neck finish. I said, with the plan on a matter. More kuna continue this na evil one they do. We dey, you know say we know they talk too much. More kuna they do this na matter one because last time you know some that they call rats now. Even some Benin go call Esa know they come Facebook because they can't speak English. They are not educated. Esa. I mean why you know say now they be one of the most educated people for Edo State. You know that one. Why just go come say they are not educated? Don't mind them. They are Esa. They have nothing in this call. You. People when people say you they talk to some of them they get PhD holder for inside house. Some of them they get professor. They know they talk like all my age mate. No one way no go university for my village. My age mate all because you don't know us. You don't know us. Always you come, you talk rubbish. You don't already come here now. You won't claim superiority. As you come here now, no become. That's what they build. This is what they call Friday dosa. No be as you come here, come they say, bros, what did they happen? Now their character. They want you won't come cry. Are you mad? Now their character, they know they come say, bros, okay, make we do it like this. Let's make it in peace. Let's do this one. Bros, I beg, reduce your voice. We can change it. Them, their own, I just believe, say, they be empire. Oba nyato sa webo. Oba nyato si Ikpobahi, where he reach, now they reach. Even Ikpobahi, no be Oba getter. Oba, we want, you think so, I look like who they hide for you. And they hide as they talk. Oba nya Ikpobahi, Oba get rich. Even you see, from me, all those bank at the corner, no be una getter. Oba nya. If na sensible person, if he call here, he go talk. He go talk to you politely because he don't know what they provoke you. Now so the bill. This is how to know idiots. There are too many idiots in that land where we say they are arrogant. They speak arrogantly. They speak to people softly. That's their way. That is their character. Now so they be. So with this thing where you can't talk for here now, you are nobody in this land. Meanwhile, you don't know me. All this nobody, no be una call Murphy for many years. Where una dey now? And they tell una by the time I provoke us, if now allow everybody for you do work with Murphy, we can't they bring the true history. Can't expose everything if you now go hello. I tell you, no sir, still they tell you, my papa na chief. I no lie. No be other someone that they use money buy for street too. We know everything where there those state too. The day one that bring down to now white and white, we know because my papa they give her one. We know. I want Mokuna they know. So we sit down they talk and so Mokuna no come no provoke us. Because you they draw me you where they say I be nobody. The time they come where I will tell you that thing I go cry. That white and white. Because very soon else and youth go rise up. All else are king they go the way Igbo. We get Igbo now our natural way. Now the way they need to take the dress. Go use and basket do your kingdom. Everybody live in Owe. We are coming. If you don't, because of your stupidity, your arrogancy, you don't respect people, you look down on people every time, you few individuals think you are more than every other people in that land, you're going to hear it all. And you are cunning, you love evil, you brought every evil to Idu land, you love evil more than everything. Today I was expecting you guys to come out and say, Fulani should stop the killing in Edo State. The people that they are killing in Esa land, that they are killing in Benin, that are killing across Idu land, they should stop it. But you are saying they should help you to save your Benin kingdom. They should help you to save one Nigeria. You need true federalism. You need Benin kingdom. Not to help you to save your people that are killing. Which means the people that the Fulani have been killing, you love your kingdom more than the people that are dying. We are begging people to help you save your kingdom so that Oba will become empire. Oba will become emperor in empire of Benin. Then if you can't save your people right now, what will become of us when you finally have this your empire? Then your Oba finally become emperor. Then you will be killing us one by one from our home. That is one of the reasons why you are not even eligible to rule. You are not eligible to lead. Oba is not even eligible to lead anybody. Because the true king, they speak for their people. What are you talking? Is it saying anything concerning what is happening in our land? Of course, no. It's not saying anything about it. Is it? So you are trying to create empire in a dull people. Who are on our create empire? Esan is not one of you. We keep telling you this. You can tell that to whoever you want to tell it to. We don't give a fuck about it. Your empire, your Benin, you are listen, this time around, I am telling you right now, anytime, this thing, if you allow me to mean you guys, to be coming out and, you see the way Murphy, the great Murphy Ojiso, concentrate on you guys. If you allow me as a Sama to bring my own like that, to concentrate on you alone, I swear one day you will come out and say, we bring down our flag, please. So don't push me to that place. And because, I'm still showing some respect. That is why when you say something and come out, I just say some few things about you because I love everybody. But if you keep provoking us and you allow me to concentrate on you, to bring you down very well, you will be. Don't provoke us. Don't provoke us. Don't provoke us. Every job come, now they take all. Everything come. If you not hear someone kuna wake up, everybody wake up. If you accept Benin, say you be Benin, me I tell you Benin Empire, which means any Benin will stand with you. Now your oga, now your colonial master be down because Benin na people that they call Benin. It's not should I say, it's not be nation. Igbo, for example, now people that they call Igbo. So that's why Biafra is not Igbo nation, it's called Biafra nation. But this one that they call it, they say, we need Benin Empire, we need Benin this, which means when Benin Empire come, you now wait there under Benin Empire, now Benin get you. Anything where they tell you, now because now them be the Benin, you know they understand something. The book is with them. So now them get you. So wise up, I don't say that they provoke and say, where they foresee this kind of intelligent person. We get them more. We got everything. Huh? Forget this one. Everything about you now. Say Igbo give me money. Just the way Fulani give Bobizwa money and your Oba money made they take destroy our land. I talk am. Just the way Fulani give your Oba money now your Bobizwa money made they take destroy those states with Fulani. After all, then that now that's all I relate. If you feel IPOB give me money, it's the same way Buhari give your Oba money because Oba and Aso Rock they sleep. Now every time they go there, go come back. We have closed down meeting. We have closed down meeting. They don't go close down meeting before you know Fulani don't take over our state. I be just say we know they calculate what they happen. Do you think people are stupid? All the time Oba go close down meeting. That time they don't say we they want there. Close down meeting. Oba don't go close down meeting before you know Fulani don't take over those states. So you just say we don't know. You just say we don't know. Then Bobby's one now they don't give and chief. No be una spoil it though. We no be una. Now we have destroyed those states. So you must still destroy more. Now not the tire of destruction. Now not the tire. I ask you now whether I know the tire of destruction. Now we have destroyed those states. I be you hear say court is nice and land for come. For example, Ayelala Ogboni Ashigidi, you hear say na land for come. You hear say na Agbo. And you hear say na Afemai for come. Not be your land. Not be your kingdom all for come. I dey ask you now. Now all there all for come. Now our place. I dey ask you. First people to go still carry Fulani king come. Now your people too. Now still first go there for this one. First believe my way still go take title. Now you still go. Now there still be. Now we. Now Benin. Now Esama. Now Afema. You hear say be. Now Agbo. Now Ibanke person go. Not be you now. Because na girl try to do evil. Now can kill for anything. Now love money. Now love yet. Now love evil. Evil won't love it too much. I be now we ask you now. Now we nice and go do one. First person wey go carry Fulani chief now. That Benin person. Who pack Ayelala come Edo State now Benin? Who bring a Curtis come Edo State now Benin? Now Esa. So why you dey talk rubbish here? You know what I'm saying? All the whole tribe for the Edo State suppose sue na we bile binu. We go sue na we una for bring Curtis one until they kill our children. Now go tell us. We una for bring Ayelala one until they kill our children. Now go tell us. We una for pack juju content the so now go we go sue na for that one for our children one na they kill. You know no. Up now we go sue direct. Then you go pack in phrase come. Where you go organize they do those things. You don't know. Our children one na they kill for it. You know what's supposed to sue now. Because the juju no come for our land. We know the year where Ayelala enter Edo State. Curtis now na land for come. Thank God say I be talk that they say na Oba na I bring Aye come Edo. I been na mama for here. Oba I be talk. Say Yoruba get here for that reason Oba converse go bring Aye come Edo State. I been na me talk. Now me talk am. The video dead there where I say Yoruba bring Aye, the Oba converse now. He can't go, he can't organize Aye. He can't bring Aye come Edo. Now he talk him now. Huh? Nobody talk him. So I will you all be with now support the silent pass. Now destroy those states. Very now destroy those states. Not be someone could more hide anything. I don't want to lie you. First person to go collect Fulani title come Edo. Now your person Bobizwa close man to Oba. And it's difficult time when be say Fulani come they destroy our land. Why you go take title? The people when be say after Oba don't visit Aso Rock, visit Aso Rock with Buhari. They don't gather their close meeting. They go always with flight. Before you know Fulani don't take over those states. Then the whole Juju court is everything on a pack and come. Our ethnic group, where every tribe we made up at those states, suppose sue. You suppose sue Oba. We will sue Oba for our people we don't kill. And all remember, for bringing Curtis come our land. for bringing all those evil things come where they take kill our. You don't know. So no they provoke us, I beg. If you tell some people know the reason, it don't make sense. We're not supposed to talk this kind of thing. We're not supposed to talk. But now they push us come here. Because I feel some people know the reason, they know why, they don't even see that they think. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Huh? It don't make any sense. I've been a human trafficking, you won't talk. You know how many of your men will be say that the park women come? What we know? Some of them they give the chief. Because we don't take for Europe. We know many of them. I mean, just say we know. So quiet. More than let people talk. Now they provoke more than know because normally people know me. Now unity I they bring for everybody. What it make me now provoke me this evening? Now this kind emancipation of United Benin wanna go bring. We they try bring everybody together. We now they try destroy them. Now make me they talk. Now they try destroying this thing. Now not be all Benin. The Ile Benin. Now they try destroy what everybody they try bring together. What will be the problem? Even within Benin and Esan, you won't kill Esan because you don't love Esan. Every time a problem. Huh? You hate Esan to your throat because you feel that the only people where they feel confront you now. You hate Igbo. You hate everybody. You hate Urobo. Now you won't try to get your empire. You they call their name. I be your Oba no so now they call us snake. Your Oba no. I want to ask you now. Not be fool now, Matt. For Benin, for houses, for there, they right say this house is for rent. Esan is not allowed. If food there, the war. Why your Oba way they try? They not tell me who do that thing. I be not be people house. But more can talk story. I beg, see, I don't want. Listen, more than no push us. You know, I beg. I always tell more than no push us. More than no push us. The true people for that do, they know who they be. More than no push us. If I push us, everything go damage. Too many things go too open, and it don't make sense. Me, I be person where be say I fit keep secret. Not be everything I would talk because I be great man, and secondly, I get my own family background where be say where I for come the be royal family too somehow. So I don't need to they expose everything too much. But now they provoke us. Now they provoke us. You where they say you are nobody, you are nobody. Now you be nobody. First of all, you where they say nobody. I don't know where you for come. You will be where to be named sir Fredosa. Idiare. Okay. Idiare, maybe you be Esan. Where be say una come for Benin because we are the aborigine. You see the true aborigine of Esan where una meet on the ground. They know they deny Esan. They know they tell you say they love Benin or they know they deny their place. Me, I be down one wanna meet for the grandma forefather where they for they live, they come forest. So I can't come down for any Benin. So you will be some Esan will be some maybe if you come out, you come want to support Benin. Maybe now from there you for come and we know now that's why I don't love our land. We love our land now because we will be the true wanna come meet. Go read the history. There are people you met on the ground. We are the people. You understand? We are the people, so that's why we talk on now. Yesterday, that time, one boy talk one Esan, but I still they repeat this word. So if you be that kind of Esan, keep your mouth shut up before we drive when I go Benin too. If you be that kind of Esan, when people say you come out, come and say you be Benin, choose one place. So you be Esan or you be Benin, know where you did. Yes, you must choose one place. If you be Benin or you be Esan, hold one place, just choose them. More know where you be. More could know the sellouts and those who love their fatherland among us. Now the truth be that one. More know the sellout. Ever hear me? You say you they say call yourself 1-2 boy. Recently, one say na ever hear me. He can't write the word even for Esan forum. People even curse and. You write the word. You say whether we know say some ever hear me and ever to they be Benin. That now come so now you like pass. Ever hear me? Ever to. Oh, do I emu? Ubiaja, they get one of the deepest Esan language so far where they say if you speak Benin no go here. So if you come they talk say you be now be say you don't even know anything about Esan. Now we they tell you the story so you don't even know anything. So I beg you where they get that character, go where una Benin they leave our son, our land, our soil for us. We be Esan. We know who we be. If you anybody where say you want to claim say you be Benin, go. Because you must choose one place. We don't hate anybody. I won't make everybody know this one. We don't hate anybody. If you be Esan, there your place. No say na Esan you be. Yes, now one state be that, but we be different nation. You know go fit change am because for long now they try to do more na bring Esan down make they no hear Esan name again. Even God now only foolish Esan person go dey follow now they talk say. You know why they talk this one? Because go check una comment always. You go hear say they say how many billionaire dey Esan? They get billionaire. Now we get everything now. Not be we they rule everything. Now we be Oba. Go check all that comment. Now we even till today, some of them still they tell you say now they pull your king for Esan land. Not be so something come stupid rich. You mean say from our own village now Oba can't give us our king. I know they put myself on trouble. My guy, hide yourself. Now you they fear. What are they talk today? Nobody they fight anybody. Now they fear. If I reach there today, what else they tell you? I will talk in front of everybody. Not be safe. I look like who they fear. I be Oba won't force me to say I be Bini. You they crazy where they write that word. Oba won't force me to say Oga can't be Bini. Not force. I just ask you now. Okay, then Oba you be Esan. Will Oba accept Esan? You where they write this one will be Bernard. Maybe you be Bini. Will you accept to be called Esan? Did you understand my language? You don't speak Esan. But could you believe me? Sir, every Esan, some of them, many Esan, they try speak Bini language. But you will be Bini, you don't speak Esan. Even Esan music, you don't want to hear her. As you can't detest us rich. As you can't hate us rich. If the place of music now, you just walk around Esan, why Esan, music Esan, why Yalu, why the hate don't they will carry because they want Oba first. They want play Oba music. They'll put their own. Now people where I know, no Kumoku know they say go school. You want to play your own, they will bring their own. Then if you say make you speak Esan, you got the form, you got the speak and make you say I don't know how to speak Esan because you know one feel say. Make they say they speak Esan because you won't feel superior over you always. See what I don't say what they talk now. Some good beneath they list. They'll say this guy, he don't know our trick finish because I know now. If tell him make him speak Esan, he go speak the thing nyama. He go say I don't know now. No sabi speak Esan. Now Bini na Bini and I go speak Bini. Rubbish. If see this one, if they threaten me, say Curtis people will kill me. Which Curtis person won't kill me? So if the Curtis person kill me, now be saying now Oba kill me now. So my Esan people will come quiet. Abi. Now what you said? You see, you what they call Ben now. Ben Bernard. So as I be now Curtis person will come kill me because they speak for Esan. Now be say now Esan will not kill. They believe to wait for war with Esan. I mean, you know they hear the word. You know, see now make me say now they talk like fool. This kind of word now see what people they talk. Say because I talk, say Curtis person won't kill me. Curtis won't kill me. May the Curtis can't kill me. If he kill me, now be saying now Oba boys kill me. Then war said between Esan and Oba family. Now so it be. We they kill each other, they go like that. Not be so it be. The war don't start. Mumu fool. You they say the poor Curtis won't kill me. Yeah, not be Curtis. Which Curtis won't call kill me? Any Curtis will kill any freedom fighter for a door today. Now Oba kill him. So now this one been waiting. I don't know. If you kill any person, maybe now Esan person where they fight for your people, you kill him as a Curtis, beneath Curtis. My brother. Now what you said? Because now Oba kill him. I want make you know how to the put plan for person head. If now my person, the same thing. Then you set war between the nation. You the crazy. I be you think say I dey alone. They threaten me with court. Why the court where you want to kill me? Not be what you with the talk with this. Why you not go use and kill Fulani where they rape your mama and your papa for Edo State? Why you not go use and kill them? Such rubbish and useless and coward people. You know what you with the talk with this? Evil, just evil, been very evil people. Now, me because they talk tonight, they threaten me with Curtis. Tell him what kill me. Tell them go threaten Fulani now when for our land. You know, they never vindicate me again. God don't still vindicate me with your statement now. Not what they talk with this. You are only good in killing yourself. They are only good in killing yourself. You they say we are watching. You see idiot. If you get brain. If you are normal human being, you be Curtis. You they threaten me with court. What happen to your people for Edo? Go use and fight the Fulani now. Go and want to take over the whole land. Go use and fight them. Not be watching with the talk be this always. Your court is either you use and fight Esama or Igboma or Binima or Uroboma. No another person where you want use and fight. You they use and threaten me. Go use and fight them now. They're full street. People where they talk through body now not forget power. Go use and fight them. The people on the street, go fight them. Where they kill us for street, where they rape your mama, where no make you get enough food for your state, where they destroy people, where they kill for land, where they rape everybody, they go for $1. Go fight them. But now me you they threaten. You know, since I get sense past you, me till the world end, we always get sense past some of you now. Not be safe for math. With the reason about life now, you they threaten person with court. Who they threaten person with court all this one? Person where you they threaten with court now. Now person where be say, if they talk about good thing, the unity of everybody. But you they come out always say it go not be one. Now won't create every time they bring problem. Me now don't tell you say we two not be one. You they cry, they threaten me with courts. Now you call court pass. Try them now. As you they come, whether you go even wait to see that day. Well, just try them. Try and say you won't come follow me fight. As you they come, whether you go see the next day. Just try yourself now. Because you don't talk now. As you they talk now, whether you don't talk this evening, finish. You don't talk now, finish. But whether turn out it tomorrow morning, God Almighty go strike you. You know go wake up or you go collapse. You don't know. Now wait till now no be this. You don't threaten people. Because somebody they have way past you. And who you they even they try to say, you don't even know. You don't even know the person. You just wake up, they threaten person. You think that everybody that they kill. I just want to ask you. Because you they plan evil against me, God they plan as he want to destroy you. Because I speak the truth. They say, sorry for your life, sorry for your life, sorry for... God kill our enemy. Now this one and I see the great Benin person saying, Bill, where they are really good in killing their people. Now so they still sell their people into slavery. Sell them into slavery. They are good in threatening their people the way they do and so. Now so he go cast their women for where they take they do prostitute. He go beat them. Go do prostitute come. He go beat them. With a watch all way back. Now let they forget power. I see where they talk now. If full on the cash and he go load and slap. He go quiet. No be cowardness be that. He go quiet. He no go talk. But if he wake up, he go feel kill his neighbor. He go feel kill his brother. He go feel kill. Not be what everybody they preach be this. He go feel kill his brother because he know he go feel kill the area. Fulani go come as this one way they tap come may enter the street now. He go quiet. Everybody go run. You know go see him. He go hold and he go do slap finish his face. He go they say Malish I beg forgive me this one. Now or if he come to your own brother he go they threaten him. You know see what thing they talk say God they vindicate us always. Huh? God they vindicate us always. You they come they threaten people. Go fight enemy. Like me now, just at every word where they talk, I tell you the truth. You don't say where I wake up, they threaten me, I say, I won't come kill you, I won't do you this one. I tell you the truth. But anything where you want, bring it on. We know the fear. If you think I'm stupid, now all this threatening, how they threaten, you will threaten morphine, I will threaten this one, I will threaten that one, I will threaten this. Meanwhile, they put on yourself for more problem. People with brain, they talk politely, they talk to people. When we say somebody they get angry, you ask what it be the problem. They talk to you politely. But now force, now want to do anything. Do everything. Where the land now? It never spoil. Where the land now, it never spoil. Because now killing, our ancestors know they accept blood. Now pack blood for our land. They pack everything full land. You the threatening some person now. Our ancestors, they know they kill for our land today. Now bring up come. They kill people. Tomorrow now, if you get accident, you die through where our ancestors strike you because they talk truth now. They go say, enemy don't kill them, something bad don't happen. Meanwhile, now they use their hand kill themselves because they threaten children of God. They threaten the true aborigine. Every time they use blood spoil everywhere. See things in blood. In the blood of the people who get the land, their blood, they don't sprinkle up for everywhere. You they threaten me, say you won't fight. You know the shame? Go build road, Cubana, Chief Cubana, now your mate. You don't see her today. The way they do, and now the heavy, now they kill themselves. You don't see Cubana Chief Priest, now your mate. You don't see her say now you don't go senior you. You don't go come here and come they threaten me. That kind of person there and I talk, you go talk about your own affair. They make money. Go make money. Huh? You see, they live. They you don't see people. They live. If you have met the think of how to build road, how to do school, like me now where you say you want kill now. If I get angry, you don't know me, I can tie the whole street where there, those states. Oh, I'll just give me 20 youth, I don't need any other, or 100. I don't tie the whole street where there, those states, without stone. What you fit do for your life, but you won't kill. Every good people where they do things for those things, now they won't kill. It's me I go, I'll tell you now. I say your full street where there. You see that he do? If you give me machine without which is stone where they there. Now my job, I'll tell all your street within 2 years. With your boys. Oh, I will tie all. I will tie all for you. But you know that court you tell they threaten us. We be Esan. Give us Esan land. We go come down, we go build and go be like Dubai. We guarantee you that one. We go take the lead, the flour, the feed, everything where you go see for street. Now we go do and organize ourselves. I go take the lead. But you know what you feel do? You not court you can't tell they threaten me. It doesn't make sense to you. All because the only thing where you get violence. When people they talk, your own are only violence. Not the only thing where you get for idea courts. You will go party, you go make trouble. You will go Italy, you will kill for street. You will go day party, you will destroy everywhere. You day party or I don't kill people. You day street or you don't kill. It doesn't make sense. You there where people they think oh no be home, you they fight. If you still use where even the thing say you be caught. Now your fellow court where you want 5 minutes, they will tell you say you know where. If you know how many of your Benin court boys I don't have for this world, no be small. No be small. They will tell you say that boy innocent. That's that boy that NJB. Too many of them. Because you know too many. That's why you say that boy as he been an NJ. Many of us wait. Who you want even send? I will say that boy will help me for years. Many I don't feel they count them. Now you won't come to talk about my brother get out for if you don't get what you want to talk. Now wait till that Benin court boy will still tell you. Wait, know me. You tell say that boy they fight for everybody. Just want me everything they good. Now good person. You tell you say everybody. You know they say many way don't fist up help like this help like that. You come they talk. You know me. Eh? Some of them, they're not even there today. Therefore, even they tell you, say, may you stop that rubbish. Because they know say that truth that they speak. You know how many of your court boys I don't help every time? You different courtists. So now they won't come they find me. People go come they find me. About brother carry your wall. Go all these things I make you they say you moron. I they talk like this. A threatening person with court. Go build your community. For German, your mates that they wake up, they go become community leaders. How they want to tie street, how they want to pull lights. So they say now they go they handle the feed. Some go say now they go they do the cleaning. Find one may you they do not be caught. It doesn't make sense. Find one. Now so we won't make Biafra be. Not be caught matter. We'll train people for everything. Your mate for Deutschland that they help their community. Some of them are streets that they build for little village that they help that they do and they bring idea. Think of one. At least we get those ideas already. We work with big firm, with big company. We know all those things. You make you still fine. Help yourself. Help not be every time you can't fight. Now waiting with the trap. That idea. Now with the trap bring come out for una more get Biafra. Make that idea come out for una body as Benin. Not be killing, fights. Now we they preach make come out now. Because Oyibo now of your age, they build street, they plant feed, if they get in your stadium, little what we say build to help community with idea, they bring different things. You nothing there in your head. You call the try. People when they try to they get idea to help their land. Nothing. Me only work with me when they say go work, only work when me learning more than 10 to 15. I tell you at the tie road. At the tie road, confirm one. I be master. I won't make you know. If you don't know now, no. I they use wooden ties. As I be use wooden ties work. I go fit come Nigeria do wooden ties on my own. I don't need material. I know everything where they tell they do them. I fit come yourself useless zoo today. I won't work for your street. I don't need anything. All material. I only need your stone and every other thing to get quota. I know them. I know if you expose them to you. How many I don't tell you so? I can build your garden where children go they play. Where be say big one. So me and you who won't go find work. Where children go they play, I can build that community, every large one. I go build them for you. Everybody go they see and not be safe for math. If you build your house, make and fish go there inside, put mirror, water, everything go there inside. They do them. Not be your job. So now me and you won't go find work. If you use wood build house, confirm one, people go they stay. Good house. So how many work I don't tell you now? So now me and you who won't come help each other, who won't go learn work. You listen say I look like idiot. Me and you who won't go learn work. Now let me have the tell work we are no. No, it's not 10. No be 15. Because all my youth age now, white man country, I for spend them. I won't make you know that not be every time they tell you. So now you won't tell me, I don't get that your yeah mentality. I know how many years I did Europe. I did small. After my high school, now I come to Europe. I won't make you know that. May I shock you this evening. So you go know how many work I don't learn and how many experience. Now you won't tell me work. So you not be so now tell they kill now people they go. Somebody they come and they threaten how to kill now. Whether now who know what happen now tomorrow, who want to move now for trouble, you don't know. See who the water where be say they everywhere today. That they say they don't see where water pass. Simple thing where be say I go pack 30 people now. We don't design every community. Water don't see where they enter. And my brother get let person hear what we need Biafra anyway. We need Biafra. We need good people. More forget this guy. Let's talk about written. Let's talk about good people. Now the truth be that. Let's talk about good people. That's how it be. So I agree to everybody. All you do nation, all do the one nation. We must rise up to get Biafra. Forget all those things where they talk. These guys will be say they come out when they manipulate people. Forget that rubbish. All we need now Biafra. All we need now do the one. Now then they say make you help them save Nigeria. Not be make them help them save people. I will just come out. We need to save Nigeria. Not be save your people where they kill. Somebody will get brain. You go say make them save Nigeria. Not be save your own people where they kill for a land. Huh? Not be save people where they kill for a land. Because if not that one, people wouldn't hear. They wouldn't hear. They always that they come out, whether they love blood though, or that they enjoy evil. Now, what I never understand. Always person go come with idea. You know go talk am good idea. You go just go backward, go to talk another thing. You just bring another thing, say evil. You just gonna support them. Everybody now say dissolve Nigeria. Now alone now be the people when they say, I beg, who can help us keep Nigeria? Almost every tribe now for Nigeria say dissolve Nigeria. But now only you way be now they class say help me keep Nigeria. If they ask for true federalism. As I say waiting Mazuna they can ask for na true up. First it not be true federalism. They not turn it down. Your governors waiting meeting whether they go out this way, waiting that they ask for, they don't turn it down. Now you won't come do one. They don't turn all down. They turn all down. Mazuna they can become most of them be hypocrite and don't know anything about them. Waiting for they fight for, not be the same true federalism. They turn all down. Then how you won't come do? The whole governor they come up together. We need true federalism. They turn all down. Now you won't come out because you just won't feel say now you know pass. You won't betray your people now because now be betrayed to every tribe now we make up Biafra and Oduduwa. Now be una where they call Oduduwa betray now can't be the betrayer now. You betray the Yorubas, you betray the Biafrans, you betray the Oduduwa. For waiting with a speak for one voice now can't be the people now we can't betray the land. You don't be fuck up. We don't speak with one voice. Your governor self never even get true federalism. Now you won't come talk. Southern governors, they hold meeting for true federalism. Fulani turn order. Mazuna, they can wait if they talk. They turn that true federalism down. Now they come for so. Now since that's so it be, everybody should fight. More break this land. Let's get Biafra and do what? Now, as they fight for that one now, everywhere they already good now. Una we be now come with your attitude, betrayal. Now come betray the Oduduwa Biafra. Come they say, and I want true federalism. As if waiting other people they ask for before na chicken. It's not the same thing. I want get boy working for that. Betraying attitude. Maybe they don't give una some money. Now make una come out. Well, if you know some of them will go do that thing today. If not be disgrace to our ancestors and disgrace to entire southern Nigeria, if not be disgrace to them, everybody they speak with one voice. Una come out, come they say, and I won't get true federalism. And that's a true federalism. Now your governor they speak for. Now every southern governor don't speak for. They reject them. Mazu can't speak for. They reject them. So now only you want to be little Benin won't come talking. You see the betraying attitude. You won't claim small but mighty. No, now make them help you save Nigeria. Now make Benin keep Nigeria. Make Benin keep Nigeria. That's so now. Make Benin come keep the Nigeria. Now betraying attitude. If na no now, the entire Ile Benin now be disgrace to all Southern. Now betray the struggle of they betrayed Oduduwa and Biafra, and now betrayed Esa, now betrayed Afema, now betrayed Urobo, now betrayed everybody where they speak together with one voice all this one. Because even the governor, that they go for this thing through federalism, they reject them. Abi, before you come out, now no they read newspaper, now no go school. Wetin people they come out all this one I can't do before. They come out, call for true federalism. The whole Southern governor, they reject them. Mazuna they can call for the first thing before. They reject them. Now the same thing you can come now, can they talk? Huh? I want to ask you, it not be shame, not be shame to everybody. Waiting, no, I want to tell you, waiting Oduduwa, all the way for Oduduwa to Igbo speaking Biafra land, the whole governor, politicians sit down, talk, Fulani reject am. Now you will be Benin one contact, who won't contact all of Obaseki and your few Oba member. Abi, it not be disgrace to entire people now saying I betrayed everybody. So Fulani now when the love Fulani now no say now na good, now mo kuna comot, now not the other people no, now no support them, now na come good. Now they try prove now. What do they try prove? Not be the same thing. Not be now they prove so. Now I won't come tell them now say una good. Now come good. If now no say now disgrace una self for wetin happen, big disgrace. Yoruba go dey run for you, Esama go run for you, Igbo man go run for, everyone go run for una because now be disgrace. Now be disgrace to the Southern nation. Disgrace to the Southern nation. Una they kind of fight for true federalism. They turn her down. The whole Southern governor, all of them hold meeting, they turn her down. But now one Benin come and say he won't come talk. Because he just want to say he good. Me Fulani say we good. Betrayer. All of the betrayal now say I don't now disgrace you yourself today if you don't know. Everybody they watch you now. Because something where you they ask for now all the whole governor ask for, they turn her down. Full Biafra, Mazuna they can have what first they ask for, they turn her down. Oh, where wicked day, or Obiano, Tinubu, all those governors hold meeting for the same thing, they turn her down. Now you, and I know your Baseki won't come do with your few Bini. Not be disgrace. Now shame, it not make sense. Because now unity of everybody of the South, now you go for fee help everybody. When you don't get they don't finally get Nigeria, they don't break Nigeria finish. Nigeria don't go their way. Then Oduduwa nation come there, Biafra nation come. You come and say, okay, you want there, you control your own thing. You want me, you be like Dubai inside, like the way it be for United Arab Emirates. You want me your don't be like that. Maybe they do your own thing. Other people will say they won't make them be like that inside Biafra. It goes sweet. How you want it done? Come on, Fulani way they kill your people. Now don't even feel come out. This one way they say he won't kill me. He come out. There are people full street today. They blow something. You know if he come out, they say Fulani come out. Oh, now they kill our people. We give una days. More no say you be warlord. Now me you won't come kill. Huh? Now me you won't come kill now. Not be say you come out today, come talk that and say, me where you the threaten now. That threaten I cannot go through, go come see you say, I be Benin boy, I ain't Fulani where I see where say they fight my people for you do land, as the courtist where I be, I go through with you now, I go the clap for you now. That state that day, you see the courtist where they that state where they begin to they bomb Fulani hot they go. You see say they kill that person. But now me you want to threaten with court. No be shame, now me now you want threaten with court. Huh? You won't contract me with court. See Igbo youth, see Yoruba youth, all of them will be caught. You don't see the way that they, for their bulls, they shout say full and they go through with them. But on your own, if either you won't kill Saro, or you go kill Monday, or you go kill Chinedu, or you kill Osahon. Now where you good? Me, as me being I can't go to kill Benin person, or Esa person, or Urobo, or Ijo Igbo. I'm stupid now, or Yoruba person. We enemy fuga. Now be say my stupidity is out of this world. Heavily, not be say for man, it come up for this world. Now be say I betrayed my ancestor. I betrayed my people for me to kill my fellow brother for that area. Not be say for math. I'll go kill Benin person or Benin woman or Igbo person or Urobo or Ijo or Isako or Yoruba. My stupidity he come up in out of this world. Now it be not nonsense. Now nonsense. Now it be. No wonder Bible say mass enemies from his own house. Now be enemy of the house now. Because everybody for the house, they speak together with one people. When we they grow up way back, at least we go school small. When we go school way back, we understand, say they get, what do they call, Northern Protectorate and Southern Protectorate. But as divide and rule come, they begin to say, you now, where do they call them? Here, south, that one are southeast. Now, there we forget it here. Go read your book today. If you see what they call social study or government, you can never see anything like south and southeast inside that book. The only thing we see when you see Northern Protectorate and Southern Protectorate. But because of greed where the individual have, now allow ourselves to be divided, not be destroy everything too. If common sense, why people no come together, what they fight? So say, let's fight and get Biafra. When Biafra come and do the work come, you won't get your own Benin kingdom. I've been what you want. See where you want. Now so it be made follow here. Mokuna the govern on ourselves, get your constitution, rule on ourselves, but united Biafra. You say equal now what you still want, get your own, govern yourself, united Biafra. It do nation, see united Biafra, mona govern on ourselves. Human being, now so they take the reason because divided you together you stand, divided you fall because little community where you they try to form, you can't do it because some go feel cheated, some go feel say they don't like you, but as they be so they come out together. Now everybody, it don't come like say that the feel say you won't come rule over person. More we use our head, More we use our head. Now what I fit tell you? Common sense now we need for you. Common sense for everybody to reason fine. Use your head. Use your head. And you way they try to say una they kill. Now man soon they can they ask you that day. You way say you they use court kill people. You know how many Benin youth now you don't kill? When supposed be engineer? When supposed do good thing for a those state? Today because they die. They swear for your land before they die. The blood they there. Because naturally, according to our tradition, our culture, we know they kill somebody. We know they kill our people. Now, normal, we know they kill our... It's forbidden for our land. I'm telling you today, because I'm from royal family, it's forbidden for una they kill us. Waiting no go make a those state good. Now, be innocent blood when soak that land. The land, they cry always. I'm telling you the fact. Tell they tell you, your native daughter will come, I will tell her. Waiting, I'll see your bag, will tell her. And from that day, if they change, if your land don't become paradise in 2 days, no say I not be true son of Esau. Bloody. Our land was one of the most beautiful land where we say love day. They kill. Once you reach 18 years, they will call your peer, your age group, they will go build house for you with mud sand. They go build that house, you go marry, you go they enjoy. If you be widow, once you don't get food, our king, they get king farm, they will go bring yam, give you. You go they eat. There were love in the community until this rubbish come. Now you they threaten people. I teach you about your culture and your tradition. There were love in our community. I grew up meet some of the smoke. Today see what we they see hatred and killing divided everywhere. Because of the blood of the land don't vex. They don't want them. But blood too much for the land and innocent home. Tomorrow when we talk, they attack us. Say make we shut up. Now you get mad. Now continue now. Your Benin where you don't kill, you do people where you don't kill today. How many you know you some supposed become engineer, doctors, lawyers, even like bouquet. It they useful because they go build house, they go make your land good, they go fight the enemy. But all of them they don't die. You still the proud say you won't kill more. Not be shame on your side. Is it not shame? Now you are the talk to you will be bad. Is it not shame? You won't kill more now. You won't kill more. You won't kill more. Not be more you won't kill. Now more you won't kill. Does it make sense to you? Say you won't kill more of your people. For example. Those people where they die all this while. Some of them, I bet you They're supposed to be engineer, lawyer, doctors, even some go for construction company. Or import, that's why they need to touch any of their citizens. And because everybody is useful in the society. Everybody is useful in the society. That's why you see say their land today is paradise. Because everybody get the own where God say it go be. Those way they pick trash na their job. Those way they clean flower na their job. Those way they clean dustbin na their job. Those way say na engineer they build na their job. At the end, with the collective effort of everybody, they build wonderful nation. But your own who's supposed to be that one, you don't kill them, you don't die. Even you turn many of your women to widow, and you still they boast. That one will be our community we will know. Our great community of before. Our great community where we say they know they kill people. They know they kill people before. Now it can't be this one. Some they both say they won't kill more. Mark my word. Go right hand. That tell them, son, I wait and talk. If they don't stop to they kill people, kill their aborigine, kill people for it do land. 1 million years they don't land no go better. Bini land. Now me tell you. I want to tell you now. You know, I be like prophet today. I will still tell you, Oba. I will tell the native daughter. I will tell them. They will say how I wanted to do. I'll say we could go into research. Let's go to so land. Let's go to so forest. It's also so time we could they check on. We go put them for grant for them. I'll say now so it be. If you do this one go happen. If you do that one, this one go happen. And if that is stop, I swear I give you 2 years. If I don't say no turn paradise. For how many governor you don't produce? How many things you don't produce? Wait till come out. The same thing, this one come out, the other one was spoiled, the other one come out, the other one was spoiled. Everything they spoil. You want to say now their fault, don't be their fault. Too many innocent blood when they cry for justice. Now I need to go beg God for forgiveness, do everything good. Everywhere would they find for everybody. Now so our land be for what we know before. Go reason fine and pray and pray and pray and do the needful. Everything go good. You they call culture, you they call tradition, you kill your person. Your tradition, no the traditional person. You know they kill a fellow person. You know they kill a fellow tribe. You know they kill people. He pray, he do good thing. You do power. Maybe you won't use advantage, all those kind of things. It's okay, it's allowed. But you won't kill your neighbor. Carry knife, go kill person broad daylight. Destroy for our land. I know wake up. I still tell you I grow for village, I grow for I never see him. Honestly, I don't know. Where this one for they come these days, I don't know. And that things were good. Anything you pray for is good. Anything you talk, it go good because you are pure in the spirit. Your heart is pure. You say the truth always. You are honest. And you forbid so many things. You don't kill innocent people. There are no human blood in your hand. Your hand is pure. So anything you ask your gods, it they do it for you. Anything you ask your ancestor, it they do it for you. How many of them they call ancestor today? I lie. The upper part, not be every day that they call ancestor. Which ancestor won't answer anybody? Where everybody don't spoil everything. Ancestor know they answer you where won't kill him picking. Or you will be the next person where they do bad for street. Ancestor cannot answer you. And like you now will say you be Ben, you won't kill me. Tomorrow you will say you believe in ancestor. You are traditional man. You will go pray. As you don't go do the thing finish for there, you break down, you come out. People will say, he love tradition, he love tradition. But not killer. Then at the end of the day, the thing no work. He go constantly run, go church, he no work. He go here, he no work. Or stay one place and be good for once. Everything go good for you. Stay one place and be good for once. Everything go good for you. Thank you. My Facebook page no go drop. No matter how na fight reach. Now on our way, won't I tell the fight? This page, it will never drop because I'm using it on something good. I want you to know. Now they report. Now today, this Facebook is one of the best Facebook because I'm using it for peace. I'm using it for something great, something wonderful. So there's no way you can bring down my Facebook because I'm not preaching violence. I'm telling you not to kill. I'm telling you not to do evil. I'm telling you stop using people as a slave. And why would you bring down my page because of that? It's not going to happen. I want you to know that. Because I'm preaching for you. I'm preaching for the unity of everybody. I'm preaching what is called love and equity for everybody. I'm preaching unity for everyone. I'm saying something good that will help everybody. Repent for evil, change for this. You have to love yourself. Come together. We need unity. Is that the reason why Facebook will bring they will bring down my page? No, they should. You are the one that's supposed. They will bring down your page, not my own page, because I'm using this to preach unity of everybody, to bring everybody together, for you to leave evil, come for good, come together as one people to do the right thing. So why would they bring down my page for that? My friend, at least we've tried for the day. So Oduduwa people, we must rise up. Biafra people, all of us, we must rise up. All you do, Igodo, we must come together as a people. All we need is Biafra. Idu nation, we must come together, you know. The only Ile Binu, you can hate me for all you care, that one is for you. But everybody in the land of Idu must come together to make sure that we get Biafra and Oduduwa. That is what we want. We need the unity. This time, we don't need division among us. Division is one thing we don't want. We need love among us. Together, Biafra nation and Oduduwa nation. It's very, very important. Maybe the one for yeah, you are right. Maybe he's working in Facebook. You are very right. Maybe he's working in Facebook office. Who knows? I saw report that they do even Ile Binu go meet Aigbe. Now this thing we what I know what they go they call God. They call ancestor. Up to today I never report Aigbe one day because it matter no concern me. But then now that you they say as they preach, you go to say go report them. You go to say make them go report you. Now they are way. If what you they talk no be truth, why they go say make they report you? Now they talk, they go say go report and report every time that they report me. But Facebook know that I'm preaching something good. Go report you now so that they talk. If God you see Aigbe, he don't block everybody because you don't want me you say truth. You see say I block you, where be Fred Kumpf, Bernard, I block you. I want me you come out, I don't block you. So if you go to report me, you'll be fool. Because here now we everybody go debate. If you be passing where you get sense, you go come, you will talk to me, we go talk like this. We'll come on agreement in a normal way, and that agreement now Biafra and Oduduwa support. But say you want to use force, they do everything. Wait for the help. You want force us. Me, I not talk truth again. It's all year, my people. It's all year. So now so. I thank everybody. Me, I don't get anything where I want. No mind now, my brother. We go better. God bless you guys. I don't try this evening, and I want to make everybody remain strong. Mazuna the Kanu will soon free now. By the grace of God, it will come out very soon. So I greet everybody. Oh hey Biafra, oh hey Igodo. So thank you very much. I greet everybody. We must respect each other. What we need for this world and respect and equity and justice. This one are what we want. But this injustice and inequality no will help anybody. You understand? When you believe in justice, you believe in equity, you do something right, it will help every one of us. So all we need among us is unity to get Biafra and Oduduwa. Let's stop dividing ourselves. Thank you very much. May God bless you and enjoy your weekend. Thank you.